Our Vanpool program is a work commute program that operates on the I-10 corridor in Mississippi that is specific to major employer work sites. So a employee of a major employer drives the van every day, and he picks up people in his neighborhood or her neighborhood where they live at and brings them to a specific work site every day, and the van stays there during the day. The program started in 2006 after Hurricane Katrina. I got a call from the mayor of the city of Pascagoula. Would I make contact with Ingalls Shipyard, which is the largest employer in the state of Mississippi? Their workforce was displaced, and they were really struggling to put their workforce back together and get the yard back up and going again. And of course, we went over there and worked with them and developed this Vanpool program concept. And it was really advantageous to be able to work with the largest employer in the state of Mississippi who had a need for a public transit service that we were offering. So at Ingalls, we're running 7 vans. We're running 48 vans serving 480 work commuters every day. We're running on the I-10 corridor. We're operating in 4 states, including Mississippi, Pensacola area of Florida, Panhandle of Florida, the Mobile urbanized area in Alabama, of course the lower counties in Mississippi and in New Orleans, and Slide Hill urbanized area in Louisiana, bringing people to work every day in Mississippi. Our fixed route service does not cover that geographic area. It is more condensed than that, so we were not able to meet the needs of local major employers with the fixed route bus service. The Vanpool program operates outside of the geographic area that the fixed route bus service is operating in. It goes into a lot of rural areas that I described. The fixed route bus service will not meet the need. Our Vanpools are funded by a JART grant from Federal Transit Administration that Coast Transit Authority applies for, and the users, the consumers. The average cost of a Vanpool is $1,350 a month. Coast Transit Authority pays the administrative fee for that whole program, and the consumers pay the rest of the cost split amongst them. The typical cost is $100 a month for the consumer. We do not own our own equipment. It is a turnkey management contract. BPSI manages the whole contract for us. They do all the marketing. They manage the drivers, they provide the vans. There's a tremendous financial benefit to Coast Transit Authority for our Vanpool program. We actually bring in revenue through the FTA formula program in excess of what our annual costs are. We report miles through the NTD process at the end of the year. We report monthly on the monthly reporting, and then at the end of the year in our annual NTD report, we report all of our hours, our riders, hours of service, mileage, and then that rolls into the formula fund for subsequent year funding. That data is actually gathered, it's reported to us on a monthly basis, but the data is gathered by BPSI and reported to us. Our benefit to our transit agency was based on public need. Major employers were approaching us, is a need that they had for something that we could do for them and do well. And it expands our service area outside of the fixed route service area. So we are meeting a need for our citizens and our business industry, local business industry.